Sawubona, you beautiful visionary. I am Thembi Buthelezi, Chief Visionary Officer at Future Gen Leaders and the founder of the Future Gen Leaders Foundation. And welcome to Financially Empowered. Welcome, welcome to Financially Empowered. As a CEO now, my problems are, how do I grow? That takes money. So it's still, money challenges are there to make you grow. They're there to challenge you creatively. So they're there to help you be empowered. Really, they're there to help you be empowered. So empowered to do what? Empowered to have the authority or the power to do something. So I wanted to call this, one of my other courses is called Affluence. That's really one of my biggest, I talk really in depth about money past, like that's kind of like legacy. So once you've made $1 million, what do? Once you've made a lot of money, what do you do to preserve that money? That's my affluence course. So I wanted to name this course something, and I said, what would I name it? I have another course, my stock market course is called Church of Wall Street, and I like to name things what they will be, right? Or the experience that people will have after they've gone through the course. So I decided to name this course Financially Empowered. Empowered is a state of being. Nothing outside of you can give you power. Because if you feel you have power because you have a laptop, right? I don't know. Some people think they're sexier than other people because they're Mac users. Some people think they're less than other people because they're PC users. I used to be one of these people. It's like so silly. Nothing outside of yourself can give you power. A car can never give you power. A Rolex watch can never give you power. A job can never give you power. A boyfriend, a spouse, a girlfriend, a husband can never give you power. Nothing outside of this, your hair, your nails, your teeth, your feet, your feet, not even the shoes can give you power. If you come to an understanding in your life that nothing outside of me can give, not even this outfit that I'm wearing, nothing outside of me can give me power. You have found the secret to life. Einstein did not discover the law of relativity at the shopping mall. He was not at Gucci. He was not at Louis Vuitton. He was not sitting in the Bahamas, right? When he discovered the law of relativity, he was outside in nature. Outside in nature. So nothing outside of yourself, not a handbag, not a husband, not a job, not a business, nothing outside of yourself can give you power. But the spirit that lives inside of you, when you can start to believe that more than you believe, if I don't have this, I am nothing. If you can start to believe more in that nothing outside of me can give or take away my power, you will have moved into the realms of the Einsteins. You will have moved into the realms of the great philosophers and the great thinkers and the great leaders like Nelson Mandela, and the great leaders like Gandhi, and the great leaders like Aristotle, right? This is the kind and this is the level of thinking we need to dare to have or dare to even engage in. Because if we're still thinking on a level of, oh, I need a BMW and then I am worthy, well, child, you're going to have some serious problems, I'm telling you. Because nothing outside of yourself can give you power. Because empowerment is the authority or the power that comes from within you to do something outside. It's never outside in. It's always inside out. Because if it's always outside in, when the BMW goes away or the husband goes away or the wife goes away, now you have no power. Now you're weak. You see, we gotta laugh about this stuff. It's comical when you think about it. But these are the conversations that philosophers have. These are the conversations that great thinkers have. These are not the conversations that sheep have. Sheep are at the shopping mall. They are buying. How do you know that you're a sheep or you're a follower? If they have an ad on TV and it says Black Friday and you're running to the mall with a credit card like this, you're swiping your credit card, now you know you're a sheep. Because great thinkers and great leaders have power inside to do something. Nelson Mandela had power inside when he was sitting in a jail cell and he had the ideas inside to write letters to the US government, say, hey, the white folk killing us here in Africa. It is always the power inside. It's never the secret. The true secret is the power inside is far greater than anything outside. It's truly far greater. But these are the conversations of shamans. These are the conversations of great thinkers, of philosophers, of great minds. It's not a conversation of people in a shopping mall. In a shopping mall. But we are all doing the best we can. We are all going through the 9 stages of financial health and financial confidence and financial education. So be very kind towards yourself. Oh my goodness. Have compassion for yourself. Oh, how did I learn these lessons? Because I had to be compassionate. I had to look at my own dysfunction with money and I say, oh, my dysfunction with money. Oh, so I teach this from a place of true humility. And I teach this course from a place of just, having had my own come to Jesus moments with money. Ooh, money gonna make you crazy. Money will make you do strange things. Really, money will make you do strange things. So, in our definition, empowered or a financially empowered person is a person who has the authority or the power to do something. What do you want to do? Develop a guilt-free relationship with money.